Listen up. Stop moving those irregularly shaped loads anymore, unless you want to lose your job. Handling irregular loads means instability. Even if the weight isn't over the limit, uneven weight distribution shifts the center of gravity. At this point, the forklift isn't just a handling machine anymore. It becomes a killing machine. Can you believe it? Lucky the forks didn't hit anyone. Now, if you're just walking by, here's the golden rule. Keep clear of forklifts, okay? No matter what they're moving. Sure, forklift drivers are responsible if accidents happen. But honestly, you need to be responsible for your own safety too. And drivers, remember, don't play the hero by trying to help with tricky loads. Sometimes your help can cost you big time. Instead of crying over spilled milk later, just say no to irregular loads. Follow us for more tips on forklift safety.